All right, so let's do a couple word problems and then we'll call it a day. All right, so you are measuring the height of a spruce tree right here. You stand 45 feet from the base of the tree. You measure the angle of elevation to the ground of the top is 59 degrees. Okay, find the height of the tree to the nearest foot. So me being scatterbrained, I look at this picture and I see the pretty trees and the pretty clouds. I'm just going to draw this over here separate without all the added stuff. So this is 25 feet. This is my H that I want to find, and this is 59 degrees. Okay, so notice it is a right angle. I'm going to write SOH CA TOA up here for me to reference. And so because I'm trying to find a side length and I know an angle measure, I know I'm going to use trig. Okay, so opposite of 59 is over here. My hypotenuse is right here. This is my adjacent. Okay, always label each of the three sides. Now, I know my adjacent. I want to know my opposite. So adjacent and opposite. Which one of these trig functions has adjacent and opposite put together? Adjacent and opposite are right here with tangent. Okay, so I know that the tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, now it's just a matter of plugging it in. So tangent of, well, I know my angle measures 59 degrees. So tangent 59 degrees equals, my opposite is just my H, that's what I'm trying to solve for, over my adjacent is 45. Okay, so to solve this, guys, multiply by the denominator. So multiply both sides by 49. I'm left with, or 45, sorry. So I'm left with 45 tangent 59 equals H. Okay, now I can just plug this directly into my calculator and you get roughly 74.9. Okay, that's H, and it says to the nearest foot, so I'd say H is roughly 75 feet. All right, I want you to try to do this one on your own. You will use trigonometric functions again. It's very similar to the one we just did, so make sure you label each of your three sides, see which trig function you need, and then plug things in from there. All right, so let's go over this. Now I have drawn this triangle again down here without all the extra stuff, okay? And I've also labeled my O, my H, and my A. All right, now I know that I have my adjacent and I want to find my opposite. So I'm going to go up here and look to see what pairs my O and my A together. It's right here with tangent again. You use tangent a lot in word problems, guys. But you also use the others too. So I can say tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, and now it's about plugging stuff in. So tangent of, I know my theta is 70. Tangent of 70 equals opposite, which is my H, over adjacent, which is my 40. Okay, now you always want to get rid of the denominator, so multiply both sides by 40. Those go away, and you're left with 40 times tangent 70 equals H. Just plug this directly into your calculator like that. So I got H is roughly 109.9 inches. And it wants it to the nearest inch. So I'm going to say roughly 110 inches. And that is it.